Alright guys, so we are on our way to the Anker Open Day, the E10 Open Day, which is sort of like an open house, but they don't want to call it an open house because they probably don't want people showing up to buy the house. um, but essentially, I think it's a client house that they already installed the E10 into, so we're going to go check it out, get some hands-on, and see what the event looks like.
Pulling up to the house, Anker had already had everything set up. It felt like I was walking into a backyard barbecue, but with better prizes. I was kind of looking forward to some karaoke action. The MC for the day, his name was Frank. He's the admin of the Facebook groups, actually works for Anker, so he was kind of given the ins and outs of the E10 system. We had a community member, his name is Fernando, he's awesome. He has an E10 installed at his house as well, so he gave a little presentation about his experience. And we also had Tex, whose house that we were actually borrowing in order to put on this event. Tex is awesome. He works for, he's a licensed electrician, and I'll throw his contact info up on the screen. If you're going to get an E10 installed in your house, he's probably going to be the one to do it. If not, you should hit him up. With a single inverter and 2 batteries, he has 10 kilowatts of output and 12 kilowatt hours of battery capacity. This was able to run his entire house, and with the power dock, it was able to automatically switch to battery from the grid, which we simulated on site by flipping his breaker off. We were also able to demo the backup tri-fuel generator, which can turn on and off automatically when the batteries are low, and can even run on traditional gasoline, propane, or even natural gas, which is usually ideal. It also was surprisingly quiet for the output that it can have, and also there wasn't a sound difference when it ramped up in RPM when it went from eco mode to turbo mode, so that was pretty awesome to see. Sorry. We also had somewhat of a celebrity YouTuber show up. His name is Ben from Minuteman Solar. You should check out his video. He was explaining solar in layman's terms that everyone can understand. But now for the important parts, lunch was provided. This iced lemon tea was probably the best tea I've ever had. This was a nice lunch spread, very light and cool because it was a hot day, but super good. Every detail was paid attention to with little Anker flags. And don't forget the reason we're all here, just bringing the community together for this awesome event with some hands-on experience with all the Anker staff and community members. And also the giveaways were awesome. Everyone that attended got a C200, which is a 200 watt hour portable power station. We also all got an E10 building block set. And here's Frank trying to convince us that it's cool. A sticker pack, an awesome disco bag, and if you wanted to participate in the interview, you also got a 160 watt charger. All in all, Anker has created a fantastic product line with the E10 as their flagship whole home backup unit. The unit works together with the power panel and power dock for automatic switchover when the power goes out. It's powerful enough to run your entire home completely off-grid, including your central AC. And you have a backup to your backup with the tri-fuel generator. So that'll wrap up our E10 Open Day here at the house of the installer that will, if you're in Southern California, he'll probably be installing your system. But the E10 Open Day is concluded, and shout out to Tex for letting us use his house for hands-on experience and kind of even running through a power outage scenario. Turning on that the generator, that was pretty cool too. It's all automatic. But anyway, my thoughts on it was an awesome event. I think that more companies should do this, and I think that it gave us hands-on experience, and I think it's an awesome event.